Shib Army, it has finally happened. The Shiba Inu's bull run has finally reached an all-time high. According to cryptocurrency tracker Watcher Guru, approximately 900 million Shib tokens were burnt today. With 1% of the circulating supply being burned every day, the asset's price is responding positively, growing by 35% amid exceptionally bullish market sentiment. This weekend has been very spectacular in the Shiba Inu world. In today's video, I bring you all of the most important updates. As a result, make sure you sit down and watch this video from beginning to the end. I hope you're all set to get your mind blown with amazing updates.
Hi dear, welcome to Crypto Affairs,
and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. With that being said, let's get to the video. We'll start with the most exciting news. Yesterday, Shiba Inu reached a new all-time high, according to the official Shib Twitter account. Guys, this has been a long time coming, and we've finally made it happen. In May, the Shiba Inu reached an all-time high. Shiba Inu has done it again, following a wild bull run. Shiba Inu was little known when it first began out, save from its allusion to dogecoin. However, a lot has changed since then, and Shiba Inu has emerged as the trendiest token on the blockchain, with unprecedented momentum in the crypto market. Shiba Inu not only achieved a new all-time high, but its 24-hour volume also increased by almost 500%, according to Stock Talk Weekly. When researchers calculate the token's year-to-date gains, they come up with a value of almost 54 million%. And continuous positive trend that began on October 15 has been credited with Shib's latest price increase. The token has grown by more than 26% as a result of this rise. However, as of October 17, the token's price has essentially stabilized. However, market analysts indicated that the consolidation phase would be brief, and that SHIB bulls should be on the lookout for a breakout. Shiba Inu started its bull run 2 days ago, surging 46% in less than 48 hours to a new all-time high as predicted. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has dropped by 65% since its peak in May. Shiba Inu is currently the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, barely 3 steps ahead of Dogecoin, indicating that the prophesied flippening is getting closer. When you consider Dogecoin's persistent underperformance in the crypto market, it becomes more likely. In addition to reaching a new all-time high, Shiba Inu is currently the most traded cryptocurrency on Coinbase, according to data from CoinMarketCap. On the exchange, Shiba Inu had a daily trading volume of more than $1 million. It's also worth mentioning that this sum exceeds the combined 24-hour trading volume of Ether, Bitcoin, and Solana. What is causing this uprising, and where can Shiba Inu expect to go from here? To find out, keep watching this video. Now we'll go on to some more excellent news. Shib's army continues to expand as the company grows. I just informed you a few days ago that the number of SHIB holders was approaching the 750,000 threshold. It's only been a few days, but Shiba Inu has already surpassed that limit, with over 760,000 subscribers. That's insanely large. At this rate, Shib might reach 1 million subscribers by the end of the year. With additional holders, transaction volume will skyrocket, potentially reaching $1 billion. This indicates that prices will rise dramatically while maybe losing a couple of zeros in the process. However, big burn is something Shiba Inu absolutely needs if this massive price increase is to be achieved. Currently, there are approximately 390 trillion Shiba Inu in circulation, and we will need to dramatically reduce the supply if SHIB is to become more valued and profitable. A number of burn tactics have been implemented by the team. There have also been collaborations that have resulted in varying degrees of burn. Today, we've got more burn updates for you, and they'll undoubtedly get you thrilled. Approximately 888 million SHIB tokens have been burnt from the Shiba Inu circulating supply, according to Watcher Guru. This is a burn valued around $28,000. While it isn't quite as insane as Binance's $640 million burn, this is a significant step forward for SHIB. It's unclear who exactly burnt these tokens. The community, on the other hand, is really grateful. Shiba Inu has been gaining massive amounts of weight week after week. It has already increased by almost 200% this week, contributing to the coin reaching a new high. So, for the time being, it's anyone's guess how far this token will rise in the coming week. Shiba Inu appears to have developed a habit of paying weekly visits to its owners with pleasant price-pumping surprises. So, what's in store for next week? According to the majority of respondents in the prediction poll, Shiba Inu might drop a zero and set a new all-time high price of roughly 1/10 of a cent. But what are your thoughts? Do you think Shiba Inu will reach that level in the next week? So, tell me what you think in the comments section. You're probably wondering what's causing Shiba Inu to rally right now. Coin Bureau, a crypto Twitter influencer, is pondering the same thing. SHIB is almost in the top 10, he tweeted yesterday. I honestly have no idea what is propelling the rally. And I'm hesitant to ask at this stage. SHIB Informer responded with a detailed list of all the various causes that conspired to drive Shiba Inu's price soaring. Robinhood. Shiboshi's is a resounding success. Integrations with two main payment platforms, you can currently buy and pay salaries with SHIB in a lot of locations. Ethereum, our own L2 blockchain, is currently in development. Organic influencers, and an engaged community. SHIB Informer is correct, and I prefer to agree with him. All of these variables, as well as others, have aided Shiba Inu's recent bull run. Bitcoin, on the other hand, was not mentioned by SHIB Informer. Here's what I'm talking about. With the launch of the futures-based Bitcoin ETF, BITO, the altcoin market's prospects are brighter than ever. Bitcoin has always led the early bull run with outsized gains in the past few bullish cycles. This was followed by a more widespread crypto craze, with cryptocurrencies leading the way. The most immediate bullish impetus for the world's leading cryptocurrency has finally been achieved, as a futures-based Bitcoin ETF, BITO, has already begun trading. This scenario encourages a gradual shift to alternative currencies, such as Shiba Inu. However, the endogenous variables cited by SHIB Informer, particularly the projected Robinhood IPO, are also important contributors to Shiba Inu's price increase. The petition for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu currently has nearly 300,000 signatures on Change.org. Recent action from Robinhood, as well as other leaks from various people claiming to have insider sources, appear to indicate that the listing will happen soon. As a result, it appears that regular investors are stockpiling tokens in anticipation of the price explosion that will undoubtedly occur after Robinhood lists Shiba Inu. In the run-up to its Robinhood listing, Dogecoin enjoyed a similar surge in popularity. So, it's possible that Shiba Inu is experiencing the same thing right now, which means we could hear from Robinhood at any time. So, how can we expect Shiba Inu to perform in the following weeks? So, as long as Bitcoin continues on its upward trend, as market analysts forecast, Shiba Inu's prospects remain bright. Aside from that, Satoshi has promised major updates on the upcoming Shiba Inu game and blockchain in the coming days. Demand will rise as the SHIB community, as well as the wider crypto community, continues to witness Shiba Inu innovate and expand, resulting in an increase in the number of holders and daily transaction volume. Shib's pricing will be pushed up significantly as a result of all of these causes. We should also not overlook the significance of the fact that SHIB influencers have grown naturally. SHIB bears have turned into SHIB bulls without being solicited by Satoshi or the dev team. People are discovering Shiba Inu's potential, implying that Shiba Inu's popularity is not dependent on hype. Will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? Let us know what you think in the comments. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.